In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page on Wix. We're going to keep this simple and focused using Wix's built-in tools so you can get a clean, conversion-ready landing experience live fast. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Wix account and that the site you want to work on is open in the Wix editor. You'll see your site canvas in the middle and a set of controls along the left side and top bar. Start by opening the Add menu. In the classic Wix editor, this is the plus icon near the top left. Clicking it reveals a panel of elements you can place on your page, from text and images to advanced components. If you don't see it right away, hover near the left edge. Wix sometimes collapses panels to keep your workspace tidy. Now, in that Add panel, browse through the categories until you find the one labeled Embed. This section is perfect when you already have a landing page hosted elsewhere, or you're using a third-party builder or form and just want to display it on your Wix site. It's also handy if you're reusing an existing campaign page and need to present it inside your current site without rebuilding every section. Choose Embed, then select Embed a Site. This option creates a frame on your page that loads the external page you specify. It keeps your workflow streamlined and lets you manage your landing experience within Wix, while still leveraging the content you've crafted elsewhere. Drag the Embed a Site element onto your page and position it where you want the landing content to appear. You can drag the corners to resize it so it fills the section neatly. Double-click the element to open its settings and paste the full URL of the landing page you want to show. Be sure the address uses a secure HTTPS link so it loads correctly. As you adjust, watch the edges, give your content enough height so it doesn't cut off important sections, and enable scrolling in the element settings if your landing page is taller than the frame. A few quick tips as you finish up. Align the element to the center for a clean look. Check the mobile view in the editor to fine-tune sizing on smaller screens, and keep surrounding distractions minimal so the call to action stands out. When everything looks good in the editor, use the built-in preview to confirm that the page loads smoothly, and that buttons, forms, and links inside the embedded landing page work as expected. And that's it. You've placed and configured an embedded landing page in Wix, ready to support your campaign.